Alright, so today we have this drive where we do a clean up on the condition it right now where we started. Yeah, it's a good look.
TM21, you is a bright light to shine, and you run YouTube like the white kind of line. You keep the fans them happy, yeah. Like when a child find a kind me.
Yo, what's up? Have a great day. As you can see, guys, not many people here are subscribed to the channel, so I really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel right now with your post notification bell on. Cheers, guys.
Been a dream from the other day. One my young supper jack sail. Money
Alright, as you can see so far, this part is finished. Yeah, I'm soon gonna full to everything, so that's where we come from still. See it? See the difference so far? Yeah, so challenge stepping stone them right now at this moment. Yeah, some chlorine are going to soak there. So for wash off the stone there is very difficult. Because if you get the edge of the stones and wash it properly, it go beat up back. So I have proper glass, so make sure I have a diving glass to protect my eyes, them, I see it. Because no girl don't want to blind here, man. The rest of me not famous and rich like Nagi boy. So to protect my eyes them at all costs, people. So soon show them what I go on. See condition they in already still. Alright, so job is finished now. So we're gonna tour. You can see the sidewalks are clean. And the gutter too. Yeah, so the concrete in line with the property. Make sure sort out. Yeah. Yeah, we're just showing up here so already still a finishing project, yeah. I want to walk all of these stones so you can see it. And there's a little spot I'm zooming right there. That stepping stone sink, so I realize I just say water circle up.